In Houston, where long summers, high humidity, and fluctuating seasonal temperatures are the norm, energy efficiency isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. If your home or commercial property still has aging, drafty windows, you could be losing more conditioned air than you realize. One of the most practical and effective upgrades Houston property owners can consider is installing double-hung windows. Beyond their classic appearance and easy functionality, double-hung windows offer meaningful energy efficiency benefits that directly impact comfort and monthly utility costs. Improved insulation against Houston's heat. Houston's climate puts windows to the test. Prolonged exposure to intense sunlight and heat can cause indoor temperatures to rise quickly, forcing HVAC systems to work overtime. Modern double-hung windows are designed with advanced insulation features that help prevent this. Today's energy-efficient double-hung windows typically include multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and advanced weather stripping. Many models also feature low emissivity coatings that reflect heat away from your property while still allowing natural light to enter. This combination helps maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system during peak summer months. For property owners, that translates to lower cooling costs and a more comfortable indoor environment. Better ventilation control. One unique advantage of double-hung windows is their dual operating sashes. Both the top and bottom sections can open independently, offering flexible ventilation options. In Houston's milder spring and fall seasons, this design allows warm air to escape through the top opening while cooler air enters from below. This natural airflow helps regulate indoor temperatures without relying entirely on mechanical cooling. By improving ventilation, double-hung windows can reduce the need for constant HVAC use, lowering energy consumption and helping maintain healthier indoor air quality. Reduced air leaks and drafts. Older windows are often a major source of air leaks. Even small gaps around frames or deteriorated seals can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. Over time, this inefficiency drives up energy bills. Modern double-hung windows are engineered with tight seals, fusion-welded frames, and improved locking mechanisms that press the sashes firmly into place. When closed and locked, they create a more secure barrier against drafts and moisture. For Houston property owners, this is particularly important during humid months. Limiting air infiltration not only improves energy efficiency but also helps control indoor humidity levels, reducing the risk of mold growth and protecting interior finishes. Lower long-term energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are an investment, but they can provide noticeable savings over time. By reducing heat transfer and minimizing air leakage, double-hung windows help stabilize indoor temperatures year-round. In summer, they keep cool air inside. In winter, they help retain indoor warmth during occasional cold fronts. The result is less frequent cycling of your HVAC system and more predictable energy usage. For homeowners, this means lower monthly utility bills. For commercial property owners, it can significantly reduce operating expenses, especially in buildings with large window areas. Enhanced natural light without added heat. Houston property owners often want bright, welcoming interiors. However, large or inefficient windows can allow excessive solar heat gain. Energy-efficient double-hung windows strike a balance. With advanced glass technologies, these windows allow ample natural light while limiting UV rays and infrared heat transfer. This not only reduces cooling demands but also protects furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. The ability to maximize daylight without sacrificing efficiency can make spaces feel larger, more comfortable, and more inviting, without increasing energy costs. Increased property value and appeal. Energy efficiency is a major selling point in Houston's competitive real estate market. Prospective buyers and tenants are increasingly aware of utility costs and environmental impact. Upgrading to energy-efficient double-hung windows can enhance curb appeal while signaling that the property has been thoughtfully maintained. Their classic design complements a wide range of architectural styles, making them a versatile choice for both historic homes and modern buildings. In addition to improving performance, this upgrade can increase overall property value and marketability. A smart upgrade for Houston properties. Given Houston's demanding climate, windows play a crucial role in energy performance. Double-hung windows offer a practical combination of insulation, ventilation flexibility, durability, and aesthetic appeal. For property owners looking to reduce energy bills, improve comfort, and make a long-term investment in their property, upgrading to modern double-hung windows is a smart and customer-focused solution.